In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a Koji widget and add it to your portal. If you're using a refined portal, please refer to the dedicated tutorial, How to Add a Koji Widget to Your Refined Portal. First, go to Configuration Tenants and deploy a portal widget. You will need to select one of the 3 authentication constraints for the widget. This will determine who can access Koji. The anonymous access option will allow non-authenticated users to talk with Koji. The JSM authentication option will require users to authenticate with their Jira account. The anonymous access and optional JSM authentication option will allow both anonymous users and users authenticated with their Jira account. Here we will select JSM authentication. Next, click Refresh. The application for the widget will be automatically created with the selected authenticated constraint. Now let's create the widget by going to Configuration Widgets. Click on Add. Enter a name for your widget and a description. Next, select Chat as the widget type and the application created previously. Now you can define the appearance of the widget. For example, you can customize the text of the button and the background color of the button. Once your widget is configured, click Save. You will get the JavaScript code for the widget. Click Copy Code to Clipboard to copy the code. You will then need to add it into the HTML code of your portal. Here's our Koji widget. In our example, we are asked to authenticate with Jira to access the chat, as we set the authentication constraint to JSM authentication.